Welcome back. Let's now make together this amazing drawing. This is a Bevel Gear support we'll make in AutoCAD last version. For this drawing, we'll use 9 commands. We're going to use the line, the circle, trim, cop, move, mirror, Presspull command, hide object, and the fillet edge. Let's see how to make this one here. And I will just here first stop the continuous orbits and make a new section. The first thing we want to do when we activate a new section is always define the limits of your workspace. It is very important. You don't want to work in a very big workspace. For that, you just type the limit in your keyboard. Just type limits and then enter. Start with 0, and then here we're gonna put like 300, 300, enter, and then come here to the zoom, put zoom all. So now it is defined the limits of your workspace. And be in mind, be also sure that the auto mode should be always activated. Okay, just here, if you don't see in your application, in your software, just come here to the customization, click, and then you will see the auto mode checked. So right now mine it is checked because it is there. If I uncheck, it will disappear. Just come here and then click to check and make sure as well that you are in the 3D modeling. Just come here to the workspace switching and then choose this 3D model. Let's now start, and then we're gonna make the drawing, and you can see here. So we have the total length of 150. So here is 40, 70, and then 40 as well, and then here the depth is 25. Let's now here start, and then I will use the pull line to be easier. Just come here and then activate the pull line. I'm gonna use the first one, which is 40, enter. Now go down 25, here to decide what will be 70, then go up again 25, and then go left 40 as well. Okay, now done. Now let's here use the offset. We're going to use the offset here, and then the offset will be the distance of 10 according to our drawing in my right. Come here and then go down like that, and then activate the line and join this 2 point here. So we're going to join the 2 point, enter twice to deselect and activate again, and then done. Now let's here do one more thing. Just right click or left click, and then move to the right to the left to have this green effect, and then modify section, and here you can just go to the join. Okay, now it is now one single object, as you can see. What we're gonna do now here, you need to make a layer. Just type layers. So mine is the last version. I don't need to make a layer, but I'll just show you how to make layers. Then come here, right, and then new layers, and here just use here guideline just to guide us. And we'll also change the colors. We'll put a different color. We'll just put here like blue, and then okay, just to guide, and then we'll close this layer. It is already right here. You can now come here and then select this blue one, or you can choose your color, activate the line, select from this point to that point. Okay, just blue. So this one is a guideline, and we'll go back to the layer again. Just put here the white, and then activate the line. So here we want to make the circle. To make the circle, you know that you have here 25 the radius and 32 diameters, the one inside, and it is done in a distance of 60. Just come here and make the line of 60 first, enter twice, and then activate the circle, and then put here the first one is a 32 diameter. Second one is the radius. Just come here, center radius, and then from the same center, and you can just specify 25. So that's the one you want. Okay, that's the one. Now I will delete the line. I don't need anymore this line here, and I will make here a second line, which is this one here is 88 according to our drawing in my right. Now what I will do from this point is I will make, from this end, just move like that, and then don't click, just come here to this end, don't click as well, just come here and click it there, and also click here. Okay, done. Now I will as well make here a second you know, guideline from the center. Just activate the line from this center here, move like this to this end, right there, just to the end, you know, or just move like that, you know, and then use the trim, because you don't want, you just trim this line, okay, like that. So this is a guideline. Now what we're gonna do, the next step will be, I will use again the line that is come here to the layer, change to the white one, and select the line. We are on the top side, and then we just here zoom in, put your mouse here, don't click, just put, okay, move to the left until you have this green, then put 6, then enter. Now from this there, just move there, don't click as well, just put here to this end, and then click here to this intersection, and also right there, right here, and then done. So you have this line here, right? And the next step, what we'll do is we'll here make the tangent radius. Just come here, tangent radius, select the first tangent, second tangent, and specify the radius, what will be 12, and then enter. So that one you want, and then make again, okay, from this one here, and also there, and then put again 12. Okay, done. Now what we'll do, we're gonna use the trim, just activate the trim, enter, and we're gonna here make some cutting, right? So what we don't want, we're gonna just cut what we don't want. What we want here is this one here, we don't want that one, we don't want also this one here, we don't want this one, and all we don't want, we're gonna here delete, right? And then this one here as well, delete this line, and also this line we don't need anymore. And as well, we're gonna use trim again, and we're gonna also delete right there. So that's the one we have. And from now, what we're gonna here delete as well will be this line. Okay, I don't need this line here as well, and this one is one single line, and it is good. Now what will be next step? We'll just move, before I delete this line here, we'll just move, press shift, press the scroll on my mouse like that, and then from this point I will just make a straight line down. Just move here from this one here, from this end, just move down, what will be 66. I'm gonna use this line later, okay, just twice. Okay, now I can delete this line as well. Okay, now what I will do, I will come here, put the shaded, and then use the Presspull from this point here, go up. We have here from this distance 25, enter, done. We're gonna do the same thing from this one here, go up, okay, just go up, and we're gonna also use here the distance of 38, and then enter. That's awesome, right? Oh, before that, you can just go back if you want. You can just go back here, and then just make this first one first. So just goes one by one. Come here first, and then come put 25. Okay, done. Just this one here at the beginning. Okay, we'll just do the other one. Okay. Now what we'll do here is I will isolate this one here, and then just right click, and then come here to hide this object, and also this one here I want to hide as well. Just come here and then hide. So now that is what I have, and this line I don't need anymore. Just delete this line here. So now let's go to the top. Okay, let's go here to the top, and from the top we'll just move a little bit like that, activate again the line, come here, click here, we know is a 6, and then here is a 10, enter. Now go down, here is a 40, and then here is 25, and then here would be 35. Why? Because it's a 70 the total length. So now divide by 2 will be 35, and then enter. Okay, so let's now stop there. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna join all this line here. We're gonna join all this line, and then also this one, and then goes to the modify section, join. Now they are all connected. It is awesome. Now use the mirror, come here to the mirror, this one here, select the object, this one, enter will be from this point and then to that point right there, and then no. Okay, now we have this one here. What I will do first is I will again press shift, press here down, and this one, as you can see, let's see, they are separated. We can also join this one and also this one here. I'm going to come here, modify, and then join. Now they are one object. Now use the press pull, and then this distance, as you can see, is 10. Come here and then put 10. Done. So it is complete. Okay, now come here to this one here, these two, up, and here is 38, as we know, and then done. Now let's here end the isolation to see how is our drawing. So that's the way it is right now. So that's the one. Okay, we are now here taking the shape of our drawing. What we're gonna do next, I'll just work right here in this side. Let's now come here to the right position. Just come here to the right, so that's the one it wants. That's awesome. We'll just move a little bit like that. Okay, let's go down, and from this point, what we'll do there is I will make this sickle. We have the first one with 38 diameter, and the other one is 20. Let's now here start. Goes to the sickle, to the center. We're gonna make from this point here, and then it goes down, and here we're gonna have 38. Enter, activate again, and then we're gonna have the second one, which is 20. And then enter. So that one here we have for a while, and we'll come here, change the view to the wireframe. Just move like that to have a good looking, and then activate the line. Come here to this point, and then come here also to tangent right there. Okay, done. Just make sure that enter. Make sure that it is also that one we want. It is good. Now what we're gonna do? Something is mirror again. Just mirror. And then select this one, that's one we want to mirror, enter from the center, okay, this center here, this is center, and then move like that. Just move, make sure that you are okay like that. That's the one we want, and then click no. Just move to make sure that it is all copied, so that's the one you want. That's awesome, and that is what we want to achieve. Now I don't need this line anymore. Just come here, delete this line, okay? And what we'll do from here is this. We will first, let's see, we're gonna just go to the shaded, just to have good looking. Okay, that's the one we want. Good. And we can now work on here. I will isolate this line, or I can also, before I isolate, I can come here like that, and I will also work right here now. What we'll do, you can see that this distance is 16. We'll come here first, press pull, select this one. I'm gonna select this one here, move to this side, what will be 8, and also to this side as well 8. So now I have here the total of 16. Let's now go again to the right. Let's go again to the right. So that's the right. And what I will do here is I will now hide this. You can also hide this one here. We'll just here come here, isolate, and then hide these objects, and also hide these objects. Okay, now I have this one here. I will just join this line from this point to this point, enter twice, and then also join from this point here. Okay, so just want to make sure that I am doing well. Okay, so this line. Now what we'll do, I will connect all these 3 points, this one here, this one, all the 4 points, I mean, and then come to the modify and then join. So now they are single objects. That's the one. It is good. What I will do is I will move like that, and make sure that they are straight. Okay, they are straight. And what I will do now is I need to put this 10. Mean that will be 5 in each side. Let's just come to the press again. Select this one here. This side will be 5, and also this side will be 5.
So let's now hide or end the isolation. Just come here and the isolation, and that's the one we have. So bear in mind that here inside we have this, we still have this one here. So we need to take out, we need to have a hole right here. So here we have a hole, and to make that hole, what we're gonna do is we're gonna just use the press. Come here, just move it like that to have good looking. Same thing, do this one here, right? This one. Okay, double click, and then also this one here as well, double click. So as you can see, we have, right? You can also delete this line. You can also delete that line. You can just come here, select this line here, and then delete. Okay, done. Gonna here, but there is also here one more issue. What is this one here? It is outside, so we need to move to be inside. For that, we need first to join. Okay, we're gonna join first this one here. Just come here to the solid union. Select these objects and this one here. Make sure that they are all connected, and then just give enter. Let's see, they are all joins. What we'll do now is activate the move command. Just go to the move, select the objects, give enter from this end to this end right there. Done. Okay, now what will be the next step? Next step will be we're gonna now mirror as well this one here. To mirror that one, just okay. Now what we'll do here now is we're gonna mirror this one here. To mirror that one, let's just come here. Okay, let's just go to the front first. So this is the front, and I will here make a line. Make sure that we have the center, the midpoint activated, which is good, awesome. Now come here, and then I will just use here this one here, and also there, and I will use this as a guideline. What we're gonna do now is I will mirror, in this case mirror. Come here, select, enter. Will be here to this point, right there, and then down, and then down like that. No. So that one you want, so we use that as a guideline. You can see we have, you know, cup, and it is all straight. So that's the one we want to achieve. So we are gaining the shape of our drawings. That's the one we want. And let's see next step. Next step will be, so you can see that there is here also this one here. Let's now work on that one. How to work on that one here? Make sure that we need here to make a small calculation, okay? Know that this total height is 25, and this one here, so we'll go from this point to up is 38, and the total of this hole, and this distance will be in a distance of 25. How to make that? First, just go first to the top. Let's go here to the top first. So that's the tops, and then let's move a little bit like that. We are on the top view. What we'll do, I will select this one here, and also this one here, right click, and I will hide these objects. Okay, we'll hide these objects, and also hide. Okay, now after I hide those objects, what I will do is I will make a line from the top, from the center right here. Just move up, make sure that okay, so it is up. Okay, like that. And this one here, this line will be my guideline, will be 25. Let's just make sure that it is okay. That's the line I want, so it is a top line like that. And from this top line, let's just here change the color. Just make sure that we don't get lost. So that's the line, so a blue line with my guidelines, which is on the top. What I will do now is I will move this circle, these two circles on the top. So how to move that? Just activate the move, come here, select this object, these two, okay, enter. Will be from this end to this end, right there, right here. So I just want to make sure that we have, you know, the same, you know, okay, like that. Now let's go again to the top. Now I am on the tops, and what I will do is I will move like that. So not that this, let's just see, activate again the top. Not that this one here, zoom a little bit like that, and then move like that. Now what I'm gonna do here, activate the line. find here the tangent. Let's come here and activate the quadrant as well, and then midpoint is all good. Now come here to this point, quadrant is there, just move straight, just make a straight line. Oh, before that, let's just here first work, activate the line, and then come here to the quadrant from this point, move to this quadrant there. Okay, now enter. What we're gonna do, you know that this distance is a 60, right? And then will be 60 minus 25, what is 35. Now let's here as well isolate this one. Let's come here, isolate to not, okay, like that, and then as well this one here I will also isolate. Okay, now I only have this one here. Okay, what I will do, I will go to the offsets. Distance will be 35. Enter will be from this point, go up 35. Goods. And I will also use the line, what would be from this point to this point here, and twice this point to that point. Okay, now what I will do, I will just move a little bit like that. So note that I am on the top. I can now delete this line, we don't need anymore. Oh, we can keep there, but let's just here first delete, we don't need anymore, at least for a while. What we'll do from this point is we're gonna join this one here, this one, we're gonna join all this line, and we'll come here to the modify and then join. Now use the press pull, come here to the press pull, go down, we're gonna go down 25 where it was, like that, and then done. Now what we're gonna do as well will be, because this one is on the center, let's just go press, select this one here, go down this one, gonna go 25 as well, just like that, just 25. And the isolation, come here and the isolation, and we have this one here, so you can see. So we just work on there, no, it is close, it is good, so that's the effect we want. So our drawing, it is almost complete, and what we're gonna do here, the next step will be, we will now start joining the drawing. You can see they are all separated drawing. We need to join this solid, so they must be all connected. And before this step, let's just make this sequel here as well. And for that, let's you can see, so we have this two hole, this hole with a diameter of 10 and a distance of 12. So how to make that? Come here and then goes to the back, gonna go to the back. So here is the back, and then let's now work on the back. So how to work there? We're gonna activate the line, right? So we have here 12. Now what we're gonna do? So now what we're gonna do here is we need to start working on this hole. So to make this hole, we can just come here, right, to the front. So this is the front, and we can also go to the back. So this is the back, and let's see, and make the hole right here. To make the hole, just come here, layers, put the layers blue, activate the line from this end, or if you want, just come here and then put the wireframe to have good looking, so that you cannot get lost. Activate from this one here, don't click, just move like that, then put 12, then go down. So we can go down, let's see, 22, good, and then activate again the line from this point here, don't click, just move down like that, and put as well 12, then move like that to the sides, just put here, like, let's see, 25. Okay, let's now make the sequel, and this sequel you can now here change the layer, put just white, and you will make the circle of 10, diameter of 10, right there, then put 10. Let's now here go to this shaded, see how it is. So as you can see, so we have this hole right there. Now what we're gonna do, let's just go again to the back as well. So again, go to the shaded, and what we're gonna do now is we're gonna mirror this circle. Mirror, select this one here, enter will be this center right there, and then also the top. No, that's the one, so they are in the same distance. Now I can delete this line, I don't need it anymore. I can delete the line here, and then I can also go to the shaded as well, and then go back right there. So what we'll do here is make the hole. Just press pull here inside this one here only, double click. Same thing here, double click. So we have done this hole. So our drawing is pretty much complete, and the last thing we're gonna do here is just making the fillet edge. So how to make fillet edge, and then before making the fillet edge, we just need here click, all this line, and we're gonna first join. So we need to join our drawing. There must be joins so that the line can disappear. For that, just select solid onion, and then select everything. Everything must be selected, and then just enter. Now they are one single object. Come here, move to the sides, okay, and you can now delete all this line. So we have deleted all this line. All right, and you can see our drawing is now one single drawing. And what we're gonna do now is we're gonna use the fillet edge according to the here. So here we have some radius. Let's just see define here the radius. So right here is 3, and we also have here is 3 as well, 3. So we have 2 minus 3 fillet edge, and we also have 6 right in the sides, and here is 6 as well. Let's now here start, and then activate the fillet edge, and then define the radius. The radius will be 6. Enter, come here, so it is 6. Here is 6, and also this side there is 6. Here as well is 6, same size, and give enter. So we have done this one here, and how much is here? So here in this one says is 12. You can see here the radius over here is 12. Just goes to the fillet edge, define the radius of 12 will be here, and also here. Enter. Okay, done. So we have here 12. Now here says is 3. We have 3, also 3. So we have to many 3. Just activate the fillet edge as well. Radius of 3. Now enter. Come here. Is 3. Here as well is 3. Also inside. Here is 3. Here as well is 3. What else is 3? Let's just here find out what else it is 3. And here is 6. We don't have more 3. Okay, let's now here enter twice. So we have done all the 3. Now let's move on. So we have some 6 right here. The 6 as well. Let's just go to the fillet edge, and then define the radius of 6. Enter. We have 6 right here as well here, and let's now find out, and also inside is a 6 as well, and also here 6. What else we have 6? Let's just here now enter. Okay, done. We are having the shape of our drawing. So now that's the one, and we have also now here is a 3 as well. Let's activate again the fillet, edge radius, put 3. We have 3 here and also here. So that's the final, final. So this is the finish, to have a smooth finish of our drawing. So that's the way, and we don't have more, so just there. And let's see if we are missing one, and then give enter, and our drawing is complete. So that's the way to make this Bevel Gear support using the AutoCAD last version. I hope you like, and that's the way we make. So now if you want to do one more thing here, we want to do is a material, right? So you want to make material to make a good finish. Just comes to the material, which is the view, material bronzing right there. You need to select, so of course the one here is a steel. Just come here, type steel to find all type of steel, and you can just find your steel, or just here choose any one of them. Just see the one you want, and I will just choose this one here. Come here and then put just like that. So our Bevel Gear support is complete, and let's just here use continue orbit to have a good one. That's the way we do a bevel support gear. I hope you like, and please don't forget to subscribe, and see you to the next lesson.